Hey everybody, this is Jason from Jason Explains Things. I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 4Runner in under
90
seconds. Crap, we're running out of time.
Tools you're gonna need are socket, ratchet, torque wrench, extension, and a oil filter housing wrench. For supplies, you're gonna need 6.6 quarts of oil. You're gonna need this filter right here. Look at that part number, and you're gonna need this drain plug gasket. Oh yeah, and a drain pen. You're gonna need a drain pen to catch your oil, of course.
Take the skid plate off.
Good job, everybody.
It's a drain plug. Here comes that. There goes the dinosaur juice. Whoa. Time to take our filter housing off. There we go. Take that out, and we're gonna replace this gasket. Lubricate the new O-rings. Torque to 18 foot-pounds. Put your drain plug back in and torque to 30 foot-pounds. Oil capacity is 6.6 quarts. We're going to do all 6 first. Haviland Pro DS Oil rocks. Thanks, Haviland, for sponsoring this video. Yay! Run the engine to cycle the oil and check for leaks. Right in the middle, which means we used exactly 6.6 quarts. Put our drain plug cover back on and the front skid plate, and that is how you change the oil. And if you want to see longer videos than this one, you can check out my YouTube channel and other Instagram stuff. Bye!